Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? So, ngayon, ang topic ko lang naman is very simple. Itong disiplina ni Piolo. Because napanood ko yung interview ni Piolo. And I'm amazed how disciplined this guy is. This guy eat 1 meal a day. So lahat ng calories niya, he eats it one time.
You have to eat. I've started doing OMAD couple of years na. Wala talaga akong appetite in the morning. I worked out kanina, I got here, I still have my food.
Yan, OMAD. 1 meal a day. That is hard. It takes a lot of discipline to do OMAD. Dati, like a couple months ago, I have tried to do OMAD. Pero hindi ko na kaya. Because what happened is, sa gabi, hindi ako kumakain. Sa umaga, kumakain ako. So, sa trabaho ko, because I work at around like 5 o'clock in the morning, so kakain ako ng 2 protein bar. One at 9 o'clock and the other one at 11 o'clock. And umuwi ako mga 1 o'clock. So, pagka uwi ko, mga 1 o'clock, I'll make food and eat my meal. Hindi naman talaga siya OMAD. That's not really OMAD. Kasi hindi ko kaya eh. It's hard to eat all at once. You have all your calories one time. That's hard. Kasi you're gonna be hungry throughout the day. So, katulad ngayon I'm TMAD. 2 meals a day. Like sabi ko kanina, I work at 5 o'clock and get off like 1 o'clock. Ngayon, hindi pa ako kumakain. I am so hungry. Okay. Pero papakita ko sa inyo yung pagkain ko because I cook this and I encourage people to stay disciplined, to eat healthy, to work out. Ito ang pagkain ko ngayon. Hindi ko pa kinakain. Yan. So, it's all healthy stuff. Chicken, zucchini, spinach, onions, tomatoes. There's nothing else there. Only butter. Napa cabbage. So, if you guys want to stay healthy, you need to eat healthy. I personally try to stay away from processed food. Like ice cream, chips, soda. I haven't had soda for a long time now. Yeah. So, kakain ako ngayon. I'll eat this and I have some chicken nuggets dito sa microwave. Okay? Tapos mamaya, kasi ganito ang gagawin ko eh. Kakain ako, tapos ko kumain, I'm gonna digest for a little bit. Then, I'm gonna sleep. And after that, I'm gonna go work out. And maybe around like 7 or 8, I'm gonna go eat again. Ito, katulad nito. Katulad ng kinakain ko ngayon. So, yung ginagawa ni Piolo, that's very hard. I couldn't do that. I couldn't just eat one whole big meal in one day. I have to split it because I get really hungry. Pero kitang-kita naman sa kanya na he looks really healthy sa kanyang age because matanda na si Piolo. So, whatever his workout routine and whatever he's eating, it looks like it's working out for him. You know, kasi nga, sabi ko nga, I couldn't do OMAD. It's really hard. And I've tried a lot of diet. OMAD, can't do it. So, napabilib ako na ganyan pala yung yung ano, yung style niya ng pagkain. Like, I think si Andrew Tate din, ganyan kumain. One big meal per day. And Andrew Tate also does not lift heavy katulad niya ni Piolo. Si Piolo din, he said dito sa interview, like, he does not lift heavy. Pero, yeah guys, I'm really hungry right now. Yun nga, I would encourage you guys to stay disciplined sa mga kinakain nyo, to work out, take care of yourself, especially when you are older. Wag lang kung ano-ano kinakain nyo, like, eat healthy food as much as you can. So, yep, yun lang naman. Peacing out. You guys have a good day.